The Sephora cart strikes again, and it always wins. Hi guys, what's up, it's Bella. Welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here today. I know most of you probably are not shocked. I've got another Sephora haul for you guys. At this point, I'm just a diagnosed Sephora shopping addict. I wake up and I'm like, oh my gosh, what's on Sephora today? And I end up just placing orders. I've already posted a couple in the past month or two, so definitely be sure to check them out. I'll link them down below, but everything I talk about today is linked on my LTK for you guys to shop. But let's go ahead and get into it. I'm just so excited to show you guys all this stuff. Starting with the most recent order. This order was placed about a week and a half ago, I think, and it's kind of just been sitting here waiting to be unboxed. First thing I got is this Peace Out Oil Control Roller. I love my little Fenty beauty powders so much. Those are amazing, but I wanted to kind of switch it up and see what else was new for the oily gals. And if you can't tell, I'm oily. Like, yes, it's a little bit of glow from my makeup, but I'm just an oily girl. It honestly kind of looks like an Easter egg. Let's open it up. Okay, let's swipe this on my face. It's got clay in it, so it's supposed to just absorb the oil and blur out any skin imperfections. So let's try her out on my most oily spots, which is my T-zone typically, and see if it works. My biggest thing with a product like this, what I look for is it not taking off my makeup and like swiping it and making it look weird and like worse. Definitely feels nice and cooling on the skin. So far, so good. I feel like it's working really well and it's not moving around any of my makeup, and the whole area just feels really nice and smooth. It's obviously reusable and great for on the go. You just put the lid back on and throw it in your purse. I think this might be a game changer for the Florida gals. Like, I feel like this might be really good. Next up, we have a restock of my Tower 28. This is the Daily Rescue Facial Spray. It's just hypochlorous acid, which basically just kills bacteria. I spray it on my face after I work out. I spray it on my face throughout the day. I also got 2 of these little minis because I like to keep these in all of my purses because you never know when you need a nice little spray. I also learned from my dermatologist that you can spray these on your makeup brushes in between the deep wash to really kill all that bacteria, so you don't have a lot of like acne growth around your skin. And I also spray it on my chest and my back after my workout because when I have sweat kind of sit, even if it's only 20 minutes until I get home to shower, it just honestly creates a really weird skin texture that I don't want. At this point, this product will always be a restock for me. And we all know I'm a perfume addict. It's like my favorite thing ever. So we have the new Black Opium YSL Edu Parfum Glitter. And then we've got 2 little mini travel ones. This one is actually for my mom. I already have this one. I bought it a few weeks ago and she was like, wow, that smells really good. It's definitely different than the original Black Opium. It has marshmallow musk, coffee, vanilla, bourbon, absolute, and it's just like the most warm smell. Love the glittery bottle too. I don't want to open hers, but here's what the bottle looks like and I'm just so obsessed. It is really good perfume, lasts all day on me, and I just love any YSL perfume. They're so good. And y'all know with me traveling, I like to have my stuff with me when I travel so I can feel like the Bella at home. So I always get one for travel, one for me, and one for my mom. On to box number 2. Also, if you like the color clothes back here and what I'm wearing, I just filmed a little mini Lululemon try-on haul. I'll have a link down below. It's on my YouTube shorts, my TikTok, and my Instagram. And then I'll link every piece of clothing down below on my LTK for you guys. Honestly, this box has been sitting for like 3 weeks and I kind of forgot what I ordered. So this is the Patrick Ta Not Too Much blush. I think I got this because it was a natural like desert kind of color. Yeah, so very nice and light. Typically my color is a very like hot pink, but I thought that this would be good for transitioning from like the winter kind of time into the spring. And sometimes I just want like a more natural blush. I really love the cream at the top, and I also love topping it off with the powder. Love the packaging too. Formula is very long lasting. I picked up the new Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Contouring Liquid. I've really been obsessed with the Say one that I got in the very beginning of this year. In my Sephora haul, I've been just loving it, and I thought I would try this out because I always enjoyed her formula of the blush. Really love how bulky this packaging is, and I think I'm gonna really like this. I've been seeing some good reviews. When you're looking at any type of cream product, you always want to make sure it doesn't move the foundation underneath when you blend it out, and that it doesn't get patchy and it's long lasting throughout the day. Because in my personal opinion, the reason that we use creams is so when we put powder on top of it, it's even more long lasting. Also, the shade I got is the shade Serene. Y'all know I'm a Kerastase fiend, and I picked up the travel conditioner and shampoo. This is for the normal to oily hair because I have an oily scalp, oily face. That's just who I am. And so I picked up both of these because again, I travel a lot and I like to have my stuff with me. I also picked up the Fortifying Serum. This is my second bottle. I use this on my scalp and I absolutely love this stuff. It doesn't make your hair like oily or anything like that. You just put it on your scalp every day and it really helps with hair growth, but also strengthening the strands. I also am so obsessed with the smell of this stuff. Like I could drink a bottle. I know that's gross, but the smell is so good. Let me just go ahead and tell you that anything in the Kerastase line is 100% worth the money. I've noticed such a difference in my hair using Kerastase for the past 3 months consistently, and this stuff works freaking wonders. I mean, y'all see like this natural, long, luscious hair. Not extensions, not like anything. It's just because I've been really working on my hair and I am obsessed. Like, this stuff has worked wonders. I also picked up this dual-ended blush brush from Patrick Ta. This is for the Face 6 brush. Let's see if I can pull all this off, all the protectors. Okay, it looks like this. I guess one is going to be for blending out the cream and tapping it in, and then one is going to be for the powder blush. I really like dual-ended brushes because when I travel, it's less brushes that I have to bring, and it kind of just works out in my suitcase. Glossier came out with a black cherry balm.com, and I love these so much, so let's try it out. Again, I've had this box for like 3 or 4 weeks, and it's been sitting here, so this kind of came out a few weeks ago, but oh my gosh, that flavor is so good. I've always been a Glossier fan. I love their Glossier U. And this is the perfect black cherry little tint to the lips. The tint is kind of comparable to the Summer Fridays cherry one. I think that's the one that I have. I really like this, and it's not too pigmented. This was the very last Ulla Henriksen peptide lip treatment that I was missing in my collection, so I decided to get it. It's like this beautiful kind of purple color. It's the Lingonberry Jam Glimmer. I've got 2 other ones in my purse that I don't have with me right now, but yeah, I kind of love these so much. They're such good peptide lip treatments. Definitely my fave peptide lip treatments on the market. And lastly in this box, YSL came out with new blushes, and they did already send me a few, so I've got some doubles now, so I'm gonna give whatever doubles I have to my mom. I'm quite obsessed with the liquid blush from YSL. I've used it in so many videos, and I've talked about it quite a lot on my channel. It's just been like the best long wear liquid blush that I found. So for me, it was a no-brainer when they came out with powder blushes. So I have 2. I have 87 and 93. They're called the Make Me blushes. This looks most comparable to the color of the liquid blush that I like to use from them. So I feel like this will complement well and really bring out the cream color. Also love the packaging. YSL always has like the most beautiful, luxurious packaging. And then this one is a little bit of a coral shimmer color. They're different enough to have both. One has like nice shimmer to it and one's a little bit more matte. If you've tried these and you love them, let me know. I have no doubt in my mind that these are gonna rock my world. Now we're moving on to the very last box, which I think I've had this one the longest, or maybe this one came first and the one that I just showed last came in the middle. I don't know, it all makes sense. Of course, another Kerastase product. This is the Defense Thermique. It's a fortifying blow dry fluid. Again, this is my second bottle. I do blow dry my hair because honestly, sometimes it just doesn't settle nicely when I let it air dry. So whenever I do air dry it, I don't use this, but when I do blow dry it, I use this, if that makes sense. It's from the GISOU line. It smells super good. It's very hydrating, makes your hair very glossy and beautiful, but also provides a nice heat protectant. I'm so serious. Investing into Kerastase for your hair will definitely be the best decision you've made for your hair. And speaking of hair, we have the new GISOU Honey Gloss Ceramide Mask. I saw this when it was released on Trend Mood, and I was like, oh my gosh, the packaging is so beautiful, and I've been wanting to try it. It literally, whoever designed this needs a raise. I totally thought the product was gonna be at the top, but I'm so glad that they have a little protector. Oh my gosh, that smells like straight honey. This mask is supposed to intensely hydrate, strengthen, repair dry, weak, and lifeless hair. It's gonna reveal the glossiest shine without weighing down your hair. And I will say, I've tried so many hair masks, and my biggest thing with glossy masks and hydrating masks is that they do weigh down your hair, and they actually make your hair more oily. I used to use the Briogeo Don't Despair whatever mask, and I used it for a long time, loved it. My hair got so used to it, it started to weigh down my hair and like make it look oily and like stringy. So it's important to switch it up. So I'm really excited to try this. If you have, let me know, but so far the packaging is a 10 out of 10. These Phantom Glossy Balms have been my obsession. I use them constantly. I've used them in a few videos by now, and honestly, they just provide like the most beautiful gloss like look to my lips, but also they're super hydrating and like not oily. This is the shade Crave 140, and you just push it up like this, or I guess you twist it, and you put it on your lips. I have so much on my lips right now, but these are just so ultimate to me. Like, look at that. Oh, so beautiful. And then the other shade I have is Entice 145. I also love the stick formula. I feel like they're more compact for my purse, and honestly, they just work wonders for my lips. I did purchase the body oil wash in the beginning of the year, and this smell is so good. It's like the original scent comparison wise for me. Like, it's as good as the original scent from Sol de Janeiro. So love this so much. I decided to get the body butter because I keep using the oil, and I'm like, wait, I need more of this smell, and I already have the spray. So pick this up. Of course, it doesn't like have spiders like everyone says. I haven't attracted any spiders since using this stuff, and I love it so much. So seriously, the body oil wash is so good. I'm really excited to try this body butter. Love the wash, love the spray. Now we've got the body butter. And lastly, I am a huge KAYALI girl. Maybe just because she's Middle Eastern like me, but also just because she produces such high quality products. She's a true Habibti. So I picked up both of these. I have all of her perfumes. We have the KAYALI Vanilla 28 All Over Body Spray. And then we also have the Yum Pistachio Gelato. Ugh. Try to see if I can pull this. Oh. Well, that's not good. Pretty sure it's just a matter of pressing it back down. Oh yeah. Ugh, this is such a good smell. Vanilla 28 is seriously like straight vanilla bean cocoa warm smell. It's just so good. And then we have Yum Pistachio Gelato, which I have in the perfume, and this is supposed to be hazelnut, sweet rum, whipped cream, marshmallow, cotton candy, and pistachio gelato. So let's also spray this and give it a go. Oh yeah. Ugh, I love anything pistachio. The flavor, the smell, I'm here for it all. Oh my goodness, that was a huge Sephora haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I always post Sephora hauls, so be sure to subscribe and stick around and like this video if you enjoyed it. Also, let me know down below what kind of Sephora haul you want to see next, what items I should try out, because I'm always purchasing what you guys recommend. My quote of the day is, good things are on their way to you. I genuinely believe that if you're a good person, good things will come to you. And the more grateful you are for things, the more things that you will attract that will give you gratitude. So be sure to be grateful. Be sure to understand that good things are coming to you, especially if you're a good person and you're nice to other people. So keep that close to your heart. I love you all so much. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my very next video. Mwah. Bye.